In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly update your name servers using the Wix dashboard. Whether you're looking to direct your domain to Wix or configure settings with your domain registrar, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll be on the home page, eagerly waiting to explore the wealth of options available at your fingertips. But don't worry, you don't need to wander far. Look towards the main navigation bar. You'll see an option labeled Help Center or Dashboard. This is where all your domain management needs await, so go ahead and click there. After you've clicked in, you'll be greeted with another set of menus. Your focus should be directed towards domains, because that's the gateway to managing all things related to your website's address. Selecting domains will present you with an overview of the domains associated with your account. It's like your digital real estate portfolio, and here you can see what's active, what's parked, and any other nitty-gritty details you might be curious about. The next step takes us to the heart of the task, finding name servers. This is one of the tabs or sections available in your domain dashboard. When you locate name servers, click on it to delve deeper into settings that influence how your domain interacts with the internet as a whole. Now comes a crucial part of the process, copying your Wix name servers. These are the special addresses Wix provides, acting like a compass to direct internet traffic to your specific site. Highlight each of these given name servers one by one, then right-click to copy them. It's a straightforward procedure, but absolutely essential. With these copied, you now hold the keys to aligning your domain with your Wix website. The next task involves using these name servers for your domain registrar's DNS setup. Open a new tab and navigate to your domain registrar's website. You'll need to log in using your credentials to access your domain settings. Once you're in, find the section specifically dedicated to DNS settings or domain management. This is where the magic happens, where those strings of text you copied earlier will find their new home. Paste each of the Wix name servers into the corresponding fields provided by your registrar. There's no rush. Ensure each one is correctly placed where they belong. This step dictates how your domain will connect to Wix, and precision here means peace of mind later. Once you've pasted the name servers, don't forget to confirm or save your changes. This step is often the simplest yet most overlooked. Ensure that an option to save or update changes is clicked to finalize this process. And that's it. By now you should have successfully set up your domain name servers to point to your Wix site. It might take a little time for changes to fully propagate across the web, sometimes up to 48 hours, so patience is key. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've just enhanced the way your domain interacts with the digital world.